You are. What is it? What is it? Is that Jessie?
The angles that are
The
going
angle. Good morning.
Hello.
It's rainy here in Brighton and we are going out to the library to do some work. And then we're going to treat ourselves by going and getting a matcha for a break. But we've also made a packed lunch like little school children with snacks and bagel sandwiches and yeah. So today is the day that my dissertation needs to be submitted for this prize. So I need to do that. Of course it's the day before the deadline. But I just found a little lone abandoned plant outside our neighbour's house in the bin. So we just rescued that on our way down. And oh my god, it's windy. Lily's gone inside out. Anyway, oh yeah, it's quite breezy. So yeah, gained a plant today for free, which is nice. And hopefully I can bring it back to life. We made it to the library. We ended up in Cafe Coho.
There's two sources.
So we came home and still having to work now. But is it? I need to submit this working thing.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. But the house looks so pretty.
We've got our funny little lights. Oh, was it? Yeah.
Another day at the beach. I am on my way back from London on my first day of my internship. Yesterday I did my first day as an intern working with Kate McGarry Gallery in London, and yeah, I think it went really well. I was really nervous and the team was lovely. They were really sweet and showed me all the ropes. There was a lot of information to take in, but yeah, I'm excited. We're having such a heat wave at the moment, so it's 29 degrees or something today, and I've been hiding inside, but now I'm going to go to the beach, have a little sunbathe, take a book and maybe my journal and lie in the sun for the rest of the day. I don't know when it's going to be sunny again. God, I just finished my casting and I think it went really badly. I didn't realise they wanted us to do loads of talking and acting with another girl, and it just was absolutely terrible. I have no voice. Like, what a time to have a cold. Anyway, now I'm going shopping, gonna do some retail therapy and cure myself. I'm on the hunt for a matcha latte. I've just been to Glossier and got myself a little gift. So I'm gonna get a matcha and then go and sit in the park and read my book because I've got 6 hours until the private view this evening. So I am in Hyde Park, I think. Just walked here. I did get my matcha, but I drank it all. I spoke to a really sweet French lady in the cafe. Did have a bit of a "where are you from" conversation though, which I feel like I just have to expect at this point. But her boyfriend was from the Caribbean, so we kind of chatted a bit about that, and then yeah, now I'm in Hyde Park and I sat down and there's a guy playing the trumpet just over in the trees, which is quite nice. I'm just gonna sit here for a few hours. I cannot even begin to describe how hot it is right now. I am melting. I've put some little shorts on. I'm in my bra, and it's so nice. I thought the good weather was over. Like, it keeps tricking us. Like, there were raindrops yesterday. I've organised to have some Polaroids at my agency tomorrow because I'm staying with Helen and Laura tonight, and then Kitty's moved into Brighton, so hopefully I'll see her tomorrow evening as well. And then got a busy week next week also. So, oh, the trumpet guy's back out. Look who I found!
Oh, hello! It's going to be a repeat of our first vlog.
I know, our first video.
Nothing can rival it.
I know, it was a very good one.
Everything. My camera.
Just ran into Kitty. I've not.
It's a bit flipped.
Yeah, it flips it. But we, just ran into Kitty. She's moved back to Brighton.
I'm back, guys. I'm back for good. Oh, I'm back for good. Gonna be seeing a lot of me.
I didn't exactly give an update of what happened to me today.
I can give one now.
Oh, I won't give it now, but I just went to get my nails done for my ASOS Nike shoot later this week. And I'm not a nails done kind of gal, so this is weird. We're at Kitty's house.
I'm building this. I spilled this.
She's got her IKEA order.
My
Little shelf.
And
a lot of stuff.
I know, look all there.
Back with Kitty.
Yeah, so got our teas. Well, Jess got matcha.
On her last day of being 19.
Last day of being 19. 20 tomorrow. Oh, I don't like saying it.
I know, well, it makes me feel old, so.
A new favourite song.
Yeah, new favourite song, the new Mitski.
Entering my 20s.
Kitty's birthday tomorrow. We just had lovely dinner
Very lovely.
to celebrate.